Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS James again. How are you? In this video, we would like to share an instruction of the TOYOTA ESTIMA AERAS hybrid synergy e-drive 2015 model, and this one just come in our workshop with the factory setup, everything. It has the Japanese head unit with all the Japanese menu and control over here, and soon we'll replace it with the new system, including upgrade of the new 10-inch premium package, and upgrade the high definition dynamic reverse camera, and also upgrade the front no, we don't need dynamic. We upgrade the front high definition reverse camera as well, together with the front camera, so it will have two camera working automatically on the new 10-inch premium package. And yes, we also fit in the dash camera as well. So yep, stay tuned, and we will get the review of the new system fit soon in this car model. So here is something about the car. It has Japanese thing. It is almost brand new car, very low kilometer, and it's beautiful setup inside. Electric door, sliding door on the side, and electric seat, dual air conditioner control, and moonroof and sunroof. That's a very beautiful car, and driving it is a pleasure. So yep, come back to our system soon later. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you then.